Share.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, have Froot Loops.
What?
Have Froot Loops.
What are those called?
Froot Loops.
What?
Froot Loops.
What are Froot Loops?
Froot Loops are just like fruit.
They are.
And a circle is just like shells. Please have Froot Loops.
What? What are they called?
Have Froot Loops.
I don't know what a Froot Loop is.
Froot Loops. Froot Loops. His mommy said these are Froot Loops. Please get these. I'm sharing some with you.
What are they called?
Froot Loops. His mommy said it's Froot Loops.
Oh, no, Mom.
Door. And I'm sharing Froot Loops dragon to me. Open the door! I opened it. You can come in here.
Show mommy what you got.
I got Froot Loops.